You can reduce excess fat if you know where you carry it. Obesity has become the scourge of our time. This is due to poor diet, sedentary lifestyle, a significant number of chronic endocrine diseases, and many other factors. Obesity is an excessive body fat in different parts of the body. The overweight is the cause of many serious diseases such as mental disorders, problems of the heart, disturbance of the digestive system, skin problems, chronic fatigue, heart attacks, strokes, diabetes, and problems with joints. In fact, obesity is a time bomb that slowly destroys the body of its owner. As a critical age range for the development of obesity, we can determine the age of 30-60 years. Scientists from Yorkshire have conducted a study and found that we can divide overweight people into 6 different groups. Welcome to Natural Health Plus. Before going forward, we request you to kindly subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos. So let's start. Let's find out how to distinguish them. Number 1. Overeating belly. You often overeat and do not follow a healthy diet. You lead a sedentary lifestyle. It's better for you to stop eating fast food, cookies, and chocolate and start workouts for at least 20 minutes a day. Number 2. Stressful belly. You are often worried and nervous, so you consume high-calorie foods to get rid of stress. You need to find ways to relax without food. Try meditation and exercises. Number 3. Lower body obesity. The reason may be hormonal problems or menopause. In order to fight this kind of obesity, you should give up smoking and alcohol and start to lead a more active lifestyle. Try active fat-burning workouts that include training with weights and cardio workouts. Number 4. Swollen belly obesity. It is likely that you drink a lot of alcohol or you have trouble breathing. You should lead a more healthy lifestyle. Give up alcohol, do breathing exercises, and spend more time walking. Number 5. Lower leg obesity. This problem often affects pregnant women as they complain about swelling. If you want, try water aerobics to relieve pressure on the joints and get rid of the swelling. Number 6. Big belly with upper back fat. The cause of obesity in this group is lack of exercise. They need to exercise regularly and monitor blood sugar levels. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and please share this with your friends and family. And let us know what you think in the comments section below. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Before leaving us, kindly check out our these cool videos. Goodbye.